cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup.
Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about finding the end term of arithmetic sequence and its arithmetic means. Let us have an example first in finding the end term of arithmetic sequence. Find the next three terms of the arithmetic sequence 3, 8, 13, 18, and so on. So, we already know that arithmetic sequence, it is a sequence that the preceding term is added by a common difference to obtain the next term. Here, the common difference is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18. So if we want to know the next to 18, that's 18 plus 5, that's 23. So the first term here is 3, the second term is 8, the third term is 13, and the fourth term is 18. Next to 18 will be 23. And next to 23 will be 28. Next to 28 is 33. So this is the next three terms of this sequence 3, 8, 13, 18, and so on. Okay. So if we want to extend, or if we want to know what is the next to 33, let us add 33 by 5. So we have 38. Next to 38 will be 43. Next to 43 will be 48. So it is very easy if we know the sequence that is an arithmetic sequence by knowing its common difference or by adding the common difference to every term to obtain the next term. Okay, the problem is, how about if the problem asked what is the 1000th term? Okay, of this sequence. So if we want to know the 1000th term, so if we want to extend this sequence, mahulot na lang siguro yung board pagsuwat sa mga numbers para maabot na yung 1000 na term. And that is impractical. And at the same time, naghatag siya og taas na oras, dugay mahuman. No? So, mathematicians plan to have a shortcut process. So, that shortcut process is the end term of arithmetic sequence. What is the end term of arithmetic sequence? Let us consider this example. Okay, the first term here, so a sub 1 denoted by the first term, is equal to 3. 3 could be written as 3 plus 1 minus 1 times 5. 1 minus 1 is 0, times 5 0, plus 3 is 3. So they are equal. Then, similarly, a sub 2 equals 8. And 8 could be written as 3 plus 2 minus 1 times 5. 2 minus 1 is 1 times 5. The result is 5. 5 plus 3, 8. So they are equal. For the third term, 13. 13 could be written as 3 plus 3 minus 1 times 5. Okay, 3 minus 1 is 2 times 5, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. So they are equal. For a sub 4, the fourth term is 18. Okay, 18 could be written as 3 plus 4 minus 1 times 5. 4 minus 1 is 3 times 5. 15 plus 3, 18. For the fifth term is 23. 23 could be written as 3 plus 5 minus 1 times 5. 5 minus 1, that's 4 times 5, 20 plus 3, 23. Okay, if we want to continue the process until a sub n. Okay, now this is now called the end term. The end term of, okay, say, yes, the end term. Now let us take a look on the pattern. Here, 3, 3, 3, 3. Always 3. And what is 3 in our arithmetic sequence? It is the first term. So if we want to know, if we want to write what is the term here, it should be a sub 1. By determining the pattern. Okay? First term. So now given 3. Given 3, okay, we are now in the n term. We do not know what is that n. So we say that is the first term because the number that we are going to write here is the first term. Now, since we are in a general term, so we use a sub 1. Copy plus. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You observe, first term 1, second term 2, third term 3, fourth term 4, fifth term 5. So if you have here n, it should be n. Minus, common ang 1, minus 1. Ano sa maling 5? 5 is the common difference of the sequence. So, D. So, kani siya, muna karon ang gitawag ko the nth term of arithmetic sequence. So, if we want to know what is the 1000th term of this sequence, it is very easy. 1000 terms. So, your n is 1000. So, you write a sub 1000 equals, the first term is 3. The first term in this sequence is 3. What is our n? N is 1000. 1000 minus 1. What is the common difference? Common difference is 5. Okay? So we have 3 plus, to say subtract, that is 999 times 5. So, multiply mo ang 999 times 5. The result is, okay, let us multiply 999 times 5. 9 times 5, that's 45. 9 times 5, 45 plus 4, 49. 9 times 5, 45 plus 4, 49. So, here, this is 4,995. Kung ato na siyang i-multiply. So, plus 3, this will be equal to 4,998. So, that is the 1,000th term of this sequence. So, kung wala pa lang takay bawaan nga formula, alam, magtinamban talaga sinuwatay, mahurot na lang ng board yung sinuwat, di pa mahurot, di pa takabot sa 1,000 na term. So, this formula is a shortcut in finding the n term of arithmetic sequence. Okay, this is now the n term of the arithmetic sequence. A sub n is denoted as the nth term, or say that's the last term. Last term siya, no? And a sub 1 is called the first term of the sequence. N is the number of terms. Number of terms. While D is called the common difference. Okay, let us apply the formula in finding the term in arithmetic sequence. Let us have an example. Find the 21st term of the arithmetic sequence 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. So let us have a solution. Okay, the formula is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times the common difference d. So, if we want to apply this let us identify the first term, the number of terms, and the common difference of the given sequence. So here, the first term is 6. And the common difference is, what is the common difference? So we want A. If we want to know the common difference, let's subtract the two consecutive terms. So we have 9 minus 6. That's our common difference, B. Okay? So the first term here is 6. The common difference is 3. What is asked in the problem? The 21st term. Here, this is the number of terms. So we have 8 sub 21. And because we're asked to find the 21st term. So we have, this is 21st term equals, the first term is 6. Okay, plus. So here, n is 21. So 21 minus 1 times the common difference, 3. Okay, let us simplify. Copy 6, subtract the 2, 20 plus, 20 times 3. Okay, 6 plus 20 times 3, that's 60. So add 60 by 6, 66. Therefore, A sub 21 is 66. Okay, example number 2. In the arithmetic sequence, 7, 10, 13, 16, and so on. Find n if A sub n is 304. So let us have a solution. Okay, let us use the formula A sub n, or the n term of the arithmetic sequence, equals A sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times b. Okay, again, if we want to know, or if we want to use this formula, we are going to know what is the last term, or the A sub n term, the first term, the common difference, and the d. The number of terms and the common difference, d. So in our sequence, the first term is 7. So here, A sub 1 is equal to 7. And then, our common difference is 10 minus 7, that's 3. So that's our common difference. Our A sub n is 304. We're asked to find the number of terms, 10. Okay, so based on the given sequence, we can now apply the formula. Just substitute the given. So here, A sub n is 304. Okay? Then the first term is 7 plus the number of terms is we do not know. So n minus 1 times the common difference, 3. So n ang ipangitaan niya, number of terms. Okay. So copy 304, 7 plus. Kani siya, i-multiply mo siyang 3 kada usa. So 3 times n, that's 3n. That's distribution property of equality. Then 3 times negative 1, that's minus 3. Okay, distribute. Then, copy 304. Combine like terms. 7 and negative 3 are like terms. So 7 minus 3, the result is 4 plus 3. 4 na. Di siya pwede ma-combine, kaya wala na siya variable ang isa. So this is, naa siya variable, kanin constant. Okay, yung buhaton, kani siyang 4, i-transpose sa left side sa equal sign. So, mahimo na siyang negative 4. So, 304, may mo siya minus 4 equals, ang nabilin sa right side, 3n na lang kayo mo maling i-transpose si 4 sa left side. Okay, let us continue here. I-minus na yung duha, that's 300 equals, copy, 3n. Since we are solving for n, kinahanglan matangtang sa 3 kung saan man. Mag-divide ta og 3 both sides. That's that. 300 divide 3, that's 100. Equals. So, therefore, we solve the problem that there are 100 terms if our last term is 304. Meaning to say, ang ika-100 na term is 304. Okay? Okay, let us proceed to number 3. The third term of an arithmetic sequence is 8, and the 16th solution. The given third term is equal to 8. The 16th term, a sub 16, is equal to 47. We are asked to find the common difference, the first term and the 71st term. Okay, if we use the formula, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times b. Ang atong given nag-start sa a sub 3. Ang atong last term nga gihatag na a sub 16 is 47. Now, the formula is a sub 1. So we cannot substitute a to a sub 1 because this is the third term. Now, if this is the given, we can write another formula. So, we can say that kung tanawan mo ang formula, 1 din 1 sa dinha. Kung ang given a sub 3, we can have another formula, a sub n equals a sub 3. We are using the a sub 3 plus n minus 3 times b. Muna siya ang formula ang gamiton. Kaya mo nga siyang pattern, kung sa imong sub diri, kung first term yung gamit, minus 1 ta. Kung third term ang atong gigamit, minus 3 ta. Kung second term ang atong gigamit diri, minus 2. Ang di lang ma-change ang n, ang d. Pwede na to i-change ang atong first term. Kung second term, minus 2. Kung third term, minus 3. Kung fourth term, minus 4. Pwede siya. So, we can now substitute. Okay. But, yes, we can now substitute. So here, our last term is 16. So we can say, what is 16, no? 16 is a sub 16 equals, third term is 8 plus, okay. A sub 16 na ito yung gamit. What is our n? So n is also 16 minus d times the common difference. So we solve first the common difference. Okay? What is a sub 16? A sub 16 is 47 equals 8 plus 16 minus 3, that's 13. So may muna siya 13d. Kaya ato na siya i-multiply niya. Then we cannot combine these. Atong buhaton si 8 ato i-transpose sa left side. So may mo siyang 47 minus 8 equals 13d. Okay? So, 47 minus 8, that is 39 equals 13d. Okay. Since we are solving for the divide both side by 13, so our common difference here, 39 divided 13 is 3. That is our common difference. Okay, solve na natin si D. Ang nato na lang buhaton isang first term. Okay. So to solve for the first term, let us go back with our original formula, which a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Kani gigamit lang nato tungod kay wala tay first term. Ato ni gamit ang third term. Okay? Kung ang first term na sa gamiton, kung pangitaon, based on the given, we balik ta sa original na formula. So let us solve the first term. So here the given last term is 47. So we say 47 is the last term. Okay? Mamantay lang yung last term, 47 naman. No? A sub 1 is, or if we use A sub 16 as our last term, it was A sub 1 plus 16 man ang atong, A sub 16 man ang atong igamit. So n is 16 minus 1. And we solve for D already. So we have 3. Then A sub 16 in the given is, or 47. So substitute 47 equals, we have no first term plus 16 minus 1, that's 15. So kanina siyang 16 hamon siya ang atong A sub din ang gisab nato. Okay. Times 3. So A sub 1 plus 15 times 3, that's 45. Copy 47 here. Since we cannot add this one, so transpose 45 to the left side, section 47 minus 45 equals A sub 1. 47 minus 5, that's 2. 47 minus 45, that is equal to 2. So therefore, the first term is equal to 2. Common difference is equal to 3. Okay? Now, what is the 71st term? We can use the original formula. Because in the next is we are going to solve the 71st term. Since natay first term, natay common difference, we can now use the original formula. So A sub n equals A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Substitute, since we are asked to find the 71st term, so we have A sub 71. Kaya ang basa ani 71 first or 71st. Basa ani third term kani 16th term. So we are asked to find the 71st term, so mo ni siya. Okay? The first term is 2 plus, kung sa imong sub diri mo na tong n. So 71 minus 1 times the common difference 3. So by substitution lang atong gigamit ani. Then A sub 71 equals 2 plus subtract, that's 70 times 3. So A sub 71 equals 2, multiply 70 times 3, that's 210. 210 plus 2. Therefore, A sub 71 is 212. Or the 71st term is 212. Okay. Another example number 4. Ako ipakita kanisya ang problem. Ako ipakita sa inyo ang duha ka solutions in finding the common difference. Okay. Given the first term and given. Okay? So, the given A sub 3 equals 8 and A sub 16 equals 47. In the previous video that I uploaded in my channel, kung nagsunod gani ang duha ka terms, we can get the common difference easily. No? For example, 3, 5, 7. We can easily find the common difference here by subtracting 5 to 3. 5 minus 3. Or we can use 7 minus 5. That's how we are going to find the common difference if the terms are consecutive. Now in this problem, the terms are not consecutive. So, there are two solutions nga akong gihatag sa inyo. Una, atong i-change ang formula from A sub 1 to A sub 3. Ito ang ipakita din na. Plus n minus 3 because we are using A sub 3 times D. So here, A sub n, this is our last term. So, A sub n is A sub 16. That's 47 equals. Again, A sub 16 implies that our n here is equal to 16. So, substitute 8 plus 16 minus 3 times D. Okay, 47 equals 8 plus 16 minus 3, that's 13 D na. Okay, 13 ang answer niya, times D. Since we cannot solve, we can combine this one. Imon siyang transpose, may mo siyang 47 minus 8 equals 13. And 47 minus 8 is 39, 13d. Divide both side by 13 to solve for d. Okay, cancel. Now, the answer d is equal to 3. D is equal to 3. That is how we solve D by using this one. From A sub 1 to A sub 3. Kaya itong given A sub 3 man. Now, formula of the answer, A sub n equals A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times D. If we solve for D, transpose A sub 1 to the left side, this will become A sub n minus A sub 1. I-transpose ko natin sa A sub 1. Ang nabilin rin, n minus 1 times D. Since we are solving for D, ato i-divide both sides by n minus 1. N minus 1. Can cancel out. So D will be A sub n minus A sub 1 over n minus 1. This is now the formula in finding the common difference na wala magsunod ang terms. Wala magsunod ang terms. But, pwede sa nato siya usbon. Pero ako yung ganyan na. Ang atong general term or ang atong original na formula, pwede na to i-change. Whatever the given. Kung A sub 3, can use the A sub 3. Pero ma-change ko dali ang minus 3. May mo minus 1 rin, may mo minus 3 because you're using A sub 3. So here, mura gihapon. Kung gamit ka sa A sub 3, mahimo na siya D equals A sub n minus A sub 3 over n minus 3. Muna po siya ang formula ng resultan. Then substitute D, A sub n in our problem is the last term, which is 47, minus the first term is 8 over n is 16 because there are only 16 terms ang ihatag. The last term, so 16 minus 3, D equals 47 minus 8, that's 39 over 13. Therefore, D is equal to 3. They have the same answer. Okay. Nara ninyo masay gamiton ninyo nga formula. As long as na-solve na to ang problem. So again, kung gamit mo niya ani, wala yung first term, pwede na ito usbo ng first term dito A sub 3. Depende sa given. Kung ang given na ito A sub 2, use A sub 2. Mag-minus 2 pag gadamin. Ang D lang ma-change, ang N, ang D o ang A sub N. Kanira din ang ma-change. No? Kanira din o kanira. Okay, if you use this formula, kaya siya effective ni kung nigamit ang first term. Kung wala yung first term, magdepende rin naman sa problem. Kung wala yung first term, ma-change ihapon ni siyang din first term hanggang 1. So, murag pare-parehara sa idea din, no? Since our given is third term, so A sub 3, niya minus 3 na sa ubos. Okay. Okay, let's have example number 5. Find the ninth term of the sequence 2, 5, and so on. So, if we solve the ninth term, let us take a look on the sequence. The sequence is an arithmetic sequence, right? Because 2 is added by 3 to obtain 5, and 5 is also added by 3 to obtain 8. So therefore, this is an arithmetic sequence where the first term is 2, the common difference is 3. Since we are asked for the ninth term, say, what is the ninth term? Okay? So using the formula, or the nth term of the arithmetic sequence, A sub n equals A sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times b. Substitute. A sub 9, or the ninth term, equals, the first term is 2 plus, since if we are solving for the ninth term, n is 9, or n equals 9. 9 minus 1 times the common difference, 3. So A sub 9 equals 2 plus minus, that's 8 times 3. So a sub 9 equals to, multiply 8 of 3, 24. So a sub 9 equals 26. So this is our, the ninth term, a sub 9. Okay, example number 6. What is the 25th term of the sequence if the first term is 1/2 and the common difference is negative 3 over 8? So let's use the n term, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. Since we are asked for the 25th term, so we have a sub 25th term. Then the first term is 1/2 plus, since we are finding for the 25th term, n is 25, minus 1 times the common difference, negative 3 over 8. Okay. A sub 25, copy mo na, plus subtract, that's 24 times negative 3 over 8. Okay? A sub 25 equals 1/2 plus, if you multiply 28 times negative, 24 times negative 3, the result is negative 7. So divide 8. Or, kung may divide ka ng 24 sa atong divisor, pwede natin divide. 24 divide 8, that is 3 times negative 3, meron mo siyang negative 9. Kahit na negative 9, balik ko na ito ha. Ang 24 divide 8, will answer is 3. Ang answer na nilang duha, di times of negative 3. Muna na yung negative 9. And yeah, adding the two numbers, okay, the LCD is 2. Simple na rin. I-multiply lang mo siyang 2 ang negative 9. Will answer, it's negative 18. Then copy lang si 1. Okay, balik pa na ito ha. So 2 times negative 9 was negative 18. Na-copy 1. Kaya siya man ang nagdaan sa denominator. Or siya man ang fraction. Okay? Or 2 divide 2 is 1 times 1, 1. Kaya ang atong is, ang denominator sa negative 9 is 1 man. So 2 divide 1, 2 times negative 9, negative 18. That's addition of fractions. Okay? So, 1 minus 18 is negative 17 over 2. Okay, that's our answer. Okay, example number 7. Which term of the arithmetic sequence 3, 7 over 3, 5 over 3, and so on is negative 27? So, ang pangutana ni kung saan siya nga term. Okay, first term ba siya, second term, third term. Kung saan ba siya? 6th term ba ni, 7th term ba ni, 8th term ba ni siya. So, let us use the formula of arithmetic sequence. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times 2. Okay. The last term is negative 27. Muna siya ang atong last term. Atong pangitaon ani ang n. Okay. So this negative 27 equals, the first term is 3 plus, kung takaybaw kung saan siya ang negative 27, gusto niya ang term. So what takaybaw ni n? So it's negative 27. Sorry. That's n minus 1. Kung sa itong d. Since natin ang sunod na term, we can solve for d. So d can be solved by using kanilang duha or kanilang duha. So let us use this one para sa inyo. So let us use the third term, 5 minus 3, at 5 over 3 minus 7 over 3. Sa inyo kayo ni siya minus kay di mo sila, kay similar fractions man sila. Pareha mo sila of denominator. So buhaton na to, i-subtract lang ang numerator. 5 minus 7 is negative 2. So therefore, ang atong common difference is negative 2/3. So mag-solve to the negative 2/3. Okay? So negative 27 equals 3 plus, distribute niya siya, may mo siyang negative 2/3 n plus 2/3. Distribute na ito, multiplication. Negative 2/3 times x, negative 2/3 n. Negative 2/3 times negative 1 is positive 2/3. Combine like terms. 3 and 2/3 are like terms. Negative 27 equals, ato ni sila i-combine, kung ang fraction mag-add or mag-minus sa usa ka whole number, i-multiply lang nimo ang whole number ug ang denominator. So here 3 times 3, that is 9, plus 2, that is 11 over 3. Again, si 3 i-plus din mo ng 2/3, whole number man na siya, yan kani fraction. Ang shortcut method niya na, i-multiply lang mo sa 3 o si 3. So 3 times 3, 9, plus 2, over 3. So muna siya process, kumbaga. So again, i-multiply lang mo sa 3 o si 3, 3 times 3, 9, plus 2, that's 11 over 3. So muna 11 over 3 na siya. Okay. Positive times negative, meron siyang negative 2/3 n. Di man sila makombine kay na may variable ang usa, kaya nila siya makombine diri sa imo lang siyang i-transpose. So, yan. Transpose na to si 11 over 3. Mahimo na siya negative 27 minus 11 over 3. Kaya ito mo nang i-transpose equals negative 2/3 n. So, karon, mo gyapon dili ni siya fraction, multiply na din siya nimo. 3 times negative 27, that's negative 81 minus 11. So again, multiply na to ang 3 o ang negative 27, ay mong negative 81. Kopyahan lang na to si minus 11. Equals negative 2/3 n. Pareha mo sila minus, o ato sila i-add ang duha. 81 plus 11, that's 92. Pero negative siya. Over 3 equals negative 2 over 3. Okay? Kita ka ni mo inani, pwede niyo mo cancel on this 3 kay pareha lang sila. So negative 2n na lang 92. Negative 2n equals 92. So again, cancel natin sa 3 nga kaya pareha naman sa this denominator. Pwede lang dito lang natin solve sa ibaw ang numerator. So divide both sides by negative 2 because we are solving for n. Instead, i-divide na nato. Negative, napunta din negative, no? So atong nabin din kay negative 2n na lang equals negative 92. So kaya sila ito equal kay pareha naman ng denominator. Solving for n, divide both sides by negative 2. Instead, so n equals 92, or negative divide negative, that's positive. 92 divide 2, that is 40, sorry, not 40, but that is, yes, 46. So, n is equal to 46. Therefore, we can say that negative 27 is in the 46th term. Negative 47 is the 46th term. That is our final answer. Not n equals 46, but the 46th term is negative 27. Arithmetic means are term or terms between non-consecutive terms or arithmetic extremes. Let us have an example. Insert 3 arithmetic means between 8 and 16. Solution. The first term is 8. We are going to insert 3 arithmetic means between these terms. This is called arithmetic extremes, non-consecutive terms. Arithmetic extremes is the first term and the last term. Arithmetic means it is the term or terms between these two terms. Okay. Now, in this problem, there are 5 terms. Because we are going to insert 3 arithmetic means between 8 and 16. So, solution, we are going to use the arithmetic formula. A sub n equals A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times t. Now, we can determine the next to 8 if we know what is the common difference. So, we are going to find the common difference. How? By using this formula. So, in this sequence, the last term is 16. So, 16 equals, and the first term is 8 plus, how many terms we have? Since we are inserted three terms, so there are 5 terms in all. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, there are 5 terms. 5 minus 1 times b. Okay? So, 16 equals 8 plus 5 minus 1, that's 4b. Transpose si 8 minus 16 minus 8 equals 4b. 16 minus 8 is 8 equals 4b. Solving 4d, with namatay 4, i-divide natin both sides by 4. And out. So d equals 8 divided 4. 8 divided 4 is 2. Therefore, the common difference is 2. So, natay second term, kaya ato mo siyang i-add. 8 plus 2, that's 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Therefore, the three arithmetic means, are 10, 12, and 14. These are the three arithmetic means. With the first problem about arithmetic means. Okay, the first term is 8. We have no second term, we have no third term, and we have no fourth term, but we have the fifth term, 16, because we are going to insert 3 terms between 8 and 16. Now, another solution in solving for the common difference, we would not use the n term, but the formula using this one, a sub n minus a sub 1 all over n minus 1. So we use first term because the given ang first term. Kung dili given ang first term, pwede na siyang i-change. Kung a sub 2 nga name, minus 2. Kung a sub 3, minus 3. Depende sa given. Since ang atong problem kay given ang first term, so we use the first term. Then minus 1 sa ubos. Okay? The last term is 16 minus the first term, 8 over, since there are 5 terms, so 5 minus 1. Because n is the number of terms. 8 over 4, the result is 2. Therefore, the common difference is 2. So since we already know what is the common difference, so we can get next to 8. We are going to add 2 to 8. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 2, that's 12. 12 plus 2, that's 14. That's another solution in finding for the common difference. So the three arithmetic means are, therefore, 3 arithmetic means are 10, 12, and 14. Between 8 and 16. Example number 2. If 3 arithmetic means are inserted between negative 15 and 9, find the first of these arithmetic means. Solution. So we have negative 15. There are 3 terms that we are going to insert from these 2 terms, arithmetic extremes. So, first we are going to find the common difference. Let us use the shortcut one. D is equal to a sub n minus a sub 1 all over n minus 1. Okay? Substitute 9 minus negative 15 over, there are 5 terms because tulo man na ito i-insert. So 5 minus 1. May muna siya 9 plus 15 over 4. And 9 plus 15 is 24 over 4. That is equal to 6. Therefore, the common difference is 6. So, na naman tayo 6, ato ni siya ni-add din ni kada usa. So, 6 plus negative 9, the result is negative 9. Negative 9 plus 6, the result is negative 3. Negative 3 plus 6 kay 3. 3 plus 6 kay 9. So, these are the three arithmetic means. Now, the question is, what is the first of these arithmetic means? So, ang first, so therefore, the arithmetic means are negative 9, negative 3, and 3. So, the first of these arithmetic means is negative 9. Therefore, the answer is negative 9. Muna siya ang first arithmetic means of negative 15 and 9. Ito siya ang mga process how we are going to find the end term of arithmetic sequence, how to find the common difference kung wala magsunod ang atong terms, no? How to find the arithmetic means given two non-consecutive terms. So thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something in my discussion today. If you are new in my channel, do not forget to click subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you will be updated for more videos that I'm going to upload in my channel. Thank you and good day.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up?